Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 30, symmetry, patterns, nets and maps. So in this chapter, first we are going to recall what you have did in your previous classes, on your earlier classes, the chapter in class 4. There is a the symmetry pattern is there. So we have just a recall exercise that you recall the symmetry. Put tick on the line of symmetry and cross on those that are not line of symmetry. Symmetry, what is the meaning of symmetry? If shape is there, a symmetric line cuts that particular shape into equal parts. Image or alphabet or any shape consists of one line of symmetry or more than one line of symmetry. Clear? So in this question, put tick on the lines of symmetry and cross on those that are not lines of symmetry. This is the circle. This is your horizontal line of symmetry and this is your vertical line of symmetry. If you see the horizontal line of symmetry, it cuts the circle into two equal parts. So this is also a line of symmetry. If you see that vertical line of symmetry, it also cut the circle into two equal parts. So this is also a line of symmetry. If you come to this shape or alphabet E, this is a line of symmetry. See, it does not cut the E into two equal parts. It is divided into unequal parts. So this is wrong. If you see this horizontal line of symmetry, so this line of symmetry is right because it cuts the E into two equal parts. So this is the what a line of symmetry which is put on the shapes. Second, put right on the figure that are reflections to each other. You have this things in your earlier classes. Now we are recalling it. If suppose this is the image, this is a figure, this is the mirror, how can this image reflection will be put here? This is the image, this is the image, so this is wrong because the correct answer of this will be like this. So this is the correct answer, so this answer is wrong. D, this is the correct because the mirror image of this D will be this. Next question is in front of us. Put right on the symmetrical shapes. Draw the lines of symmetry. So we have to put on the symmetrical shape. See, this is H. It is symmetrical or not? Yes, it is symmetrical. How can we say it is symmetrical? Now, if you cut H in this, so it will cut the H into two equal half. This is the line of symmetry, and one more line of symmetry is if you cut the H into this, so it is also a line of symmetry. In H, we have two lines of symmetry. One is horizontal and second is vertical. Now come to C. Put tick on the symmetrical shape. Is C the symmetrical? Yes, C is also symmetrical. How? Vertically symmetrical? No, it is horizontally symmetrical. If you cut this C into horizontal, then it will divide it into two halves. This is the equal half and this is the another equal half. So H having two line of symmetry and C having a one line of symmetry. Next question, draw the reflections of these shapes with the dotted line as a mirror. So you have to draw the reflections of these shapes. These shapes are present in front of you and you have to draw the reflection which is shown in the figure. This we have to draw the another part. How can you draw the another part? Just like this. This is the another part of this. So this is the mirror image. arrow. This is the mirror image. This is the mirror image of this arrow. So, student, what is your homework for today? Do recall exercise of chapter 13. You have to do the recall exercise of chapter 13 in your copy. Thank you, students.